dark, cold, and then life. Life. Life everywhere. Diverse. Rich. This is our ocean. It is the blue heart of our planet. Our past. Our present. Our future. Our very survival. But our heart's health is at stake because of us. Warmer seas, ocean acidification, coastal erosion, rising sea levels, pollution, loss of ecosystems and species, unsustainable fishing, illegal activities. Our heart is broken. Today, more than ever, we will take care of our ocean.
Our oceans feed us, protect us, regulate our climate, our weather, anchors industries from transportation to tourism to trade of all kind. The health of our planet's oceans determine in large part the health of our own bodies and the health of our economies. And while it is our ocean's contours that shape our coastlines, it is what we decide and do here that will shape our ocean's future. And that's why my administration's protected more waters than any in history. We established the first ever national oceans policy, which brings together government leaders with fishermen and boaters and researchers and everyday citizens, and ensures the decisions we make and resources we use are grounded in science.
We live on a blue planet. Over 70% of Earth is covered by sea. From space, our ocean appears pristine clean. Unfortunately, it's not. A new study found that coastal border countries produced 2.5 billion metric tons of solid waste in the year 2010. 275 million metric tons was plastic, the most abundant type of marine litter.
It is at least heartening that there now exist a large number of collaborative processes and initiatives in relation to, among other things, sustaining and rebuilding fish stocks, the steps towards tackling the problem of the progressive and increasingly omnipresent pollution of the ocean with plastic debris, and the establishment of marine protected areas, some of them absolutely vast.
The garbage patch, also known as the North Pacific Gyre, is where ocean currents converge to create a concentration of plastics. A lot of the plastic at Camilo Beach has been circulating in the ocean for so long, it's been broken down into tiny particles, or microplastics, which are nearly impossible to clean up.
They mistake the billions of plastic bits floating in it to be fish. They feed that to their young. The chicks' stomachs fill up with it. In fact, some die here as we film. Their bodies join a mulch of plastic debris that's just washed ashore.
Today, I can confirm that the UK will demonstrate global leadership. We must reduce the demand for plastic, reduce the number of plastics in circulation, and improve our recycling rates. So we will take action at every stage of the production and consumption of plastic.
Plastic in our world's oceans is reaching crisis levels. Since the Great Pacific Garbage Patch was discovered in 1997, 4 additional patches have been found across the globe, accumulating more and more plastic.
We have the problem that we make a lot of plastic, we kind of use it once or at the most twice, and then we get rid of it. And ultimately, it can only go into 3 places. It can be burnt, it can be landfilled, or it can be dumped. And dumping often then means the sea. And don't forget, I mean, the mass urbanization that we're going through, a lot of this is in coastal areas. Most big cities are by the sea. 8 million tons of that plastic goes into the ocean every year. That's about equivalent of 1 garbage truck every minute. That 1 garbage truck will become 4 garbage trucks by 2050 or so. If we carry on that rate, there would be more plastic by weight in the ocean than fish. So as a human sort of conundrum, this surely can't be good.
We need to step up now. Now, the good news is we can do this together. As we've seen and heard in this conference, solutions exist all around us, but they will remain one-off projects or just ideas on paper until we commit to act on them on a global scale together. I'm standing here today as a concerned citizen of this planet who believes that this is the most important issue of our time. My foundation, as Secretary Kerry recently announced, gave a $3 million grant to the organization Oceana to support their efforts to protect sharks, marine mammals, and key ocean habitat in the Eastern Pacific. Today, I am here to commit even more of my foundation's resources to this cause. I'm pledging an additional $7 million to meaningful ocean conservation projects over the next 2 years.
我背着钓竿，独自走到了东海岸，徜徉在海边，享受大自然的气息，忘却所有的烦忧，心情放得好轻松。在天上飘，鸟儿在空中飞，鱼儿在水里游，依偎在碧海蓝天，悠悠自在的我，好满足此刻的拥有。啊呜，哦嗨呀，啊呜。